Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys a special gift that was sent to me from MelodySusie, and it's their Say Cheers 24+4 gel nail polish set. They also prepared a special discount code so you can get 12% off if you purchase this specific set. I'll have a link in the description box below. It comes in this beautiful box with a beautiful design on the outside, and when you open it up, you have your 24 colors. You also get 2 base coats, a glossy top coat, and a matte top coat. Each bottle is 5 ml or 0.17 fluid ounces. Let's look at all the beautiful colors. As you can see, you get a great selection of colors to choose from. And I really like that this set even has some glitters in it. And of course, the 2 basics, black and white. The range of shades go from fall colors all the way to summer. Besides the sunflower yellow, which is one of my favorites, these 2 neons are stunning. I'm going to swatch a few of the colors, and since they are gel polishes, they need to be cured, so I'll be using my MelodySusie EOS3 LED and UV nail lamp. This was a gift from my friend Esther from Gatita Nail Art. This is what it looks like inside. It has a little card, the user manual, it has a power cord, and in here we have the actual lamp, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out now. It's a very pretty lamp. It feels pretty sturdy. It has settings for 15 seconds, 30, 60, and 90. It has a little LED screen here. It has a magnetic attachment so the base separates from the top, and it has markings here to put your fingers. This is for the right hand and this is for the left hand. When we flip this over, we can see the number of LED lights it has. It has a bunch here and it has some here on the sides too for the thumbnails. Looks really good. On the back we have the section where the power cord attaches. Let's plug it in. All right, so let's see how this works. You put it on 15 and then you put your hand in and it starts a countdown. The numbers start going down. If I take my hand out, it turns off automatically. I have my swatch sticks ready and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the base coat to each one before I apply the polishes. I always forget that with gel polish, you don't really need a lot. Once I'm done applying the base coat on all the nails, I cure for 1 minute. Now that the base coat is cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply these 5 polishes. I'm starting with G329. This one is a glitter polish. That looks beautiful and it's very opaque. Next, I'm going to swatch 292. And with gel polish, it's important to remember that it's better to do several thin coats than one very thick coat. That way it'll cure better under the lamp. That's what I'm trying to do. This is a beautiful sunflower yellow. Next, I'm going to try this one, 550. This is another glitter polish. This one has very fine glitter particles in it. And as you can see, they're very easy to apply. Goes on very smoothly. The next glitter polish is number 472. This one is very pretty too. This one has small particles of glitter and also a bigger, chunkier glitter. The last shade we're swatching is number 409, and I was really excited to swatch this one because it's such a beautiful bright neon pink. The camera is having a hard time focusing on it. Wow, it is stunning. So pretty. This is a gorgeous shade for summer. And here it is, beautiful, beautiful bright neon pink. After curing, I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat and cure for 1 more minute. I'll finish off by applying a top coat. They included the glossy top coat and their matte top coat. Today, I'm going to be using the glossy. And here we have the 5 beautiful, beautiful shades. I'm so happy with this polish. It's really good quality and it's a beautiful set because you can have a great variety of options to choose from in one set. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful MelodySusie 24+4 gel nail polish kit. Thank you to MelodySusie for sending me this product to share with you guys. And remember, you can use a discount code they have prepared so you guys can save 12% off your order of this specific kit. The code is JennyStoneK. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!